Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about I guess I can say, I wouldn't call it a disaster, but I was kind of surprised when I seen this. And as you can tell from the title, I had a huge amount of shed hair come out the other day when I was washing my hair, and I normally wouldn't like post like about my shed hair or even do videos like this, but I thought, why not? Because I did find a routine that is really good for the after effects of if this ever happened to you guys. And I know that some of my subscribers have a lot of issues with shedding, and I get comments of people asking me about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and my social media is in the description box if you want to follow me there. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so a couple weeks ago I did my hair, and this look here, I put it on my YouTube channel. It was when I was defining my curls. I did a different technique than I normally do to define my curls. Turned out really nice. I really liked it. Everything was good with the style. That style lasted me for almost, I say like a week and a couple of days. I have been a bit lazy with my hair anyways, but with this style, I got a bit lazy with my hair, and this was probably the wrong style to do that with. So I ended up keeping those coils, I guess you would call them, not really coils because I didn't do them in the way that, you know, coils are normally very tight, whereas this was a very loose defined style. I kept this style in for at least a week and a half, so it was almost nearing 2 weeks, but not quite. And guys, my hair was so tangled, and what I did was probably the extreme wrong steps. I actually did get in the shower, wash my hair, and I noticed that my hair was like coming out way more than what it normally does. So in this clip here, I'm showing you guys my shed hair. My hair was coming out so much, and that is only a little bit of it. The rest of the hair was like on my shower walls and probably going down the drain or something. And I also had a little more shed hair when I got out of the shower and detangled my hair once again. Long story short, a lot of my hair came out, and this is probably because I should have detangled my hair before I got in the shower. You guys can let me know down in the comment section if you wear a lot of like protective styles, because technically my hair was in a protective style because I was wrapping my hair around with product. You guys can let me know down in the comment section. I know when you take out braids, you should probably detangle your hair before getting in the shower because it will make it even more tangled or something like that. Or even if you wear like sew-ins or like weaves or something like that, you're supposed to like detangle your hair before you get in the shower. I think. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. Thank God I had really good moisturizer in the shower, so my hair wasn't like pulling out more than what it should have. It probably would have been double what was coming out if I was using a deep conditioner that wasn't like extremely silky and soft on my hair and doesn't really help with detangling, whereas I was using my deep conditioner that I normally use, which is the Pink Honeysuckle plus Mango conditioner. This is a deep treatment mask that works really good on my hair and on your guys' hair as well. I get comments and also reviews on my website from you guys already raving about this conditioner and how it comes onto the hair silky smooth, and it's formulated to be that way because I like products that are going to help with detangling. I felt like the after effects of that, I needed to like rejuvenate my scalp or something like that. Maybe not. Maybe it was just like, hey, you had a protective style in, a lot of hair was going to come out. But I made this little concoction just in case, because I'm like, I don't know, that was kind of like not something I was used to. So I'm going to show you guys what I put into this spray bottle. It is extremely simple. I'm going to say you right now, it is very simple. But I'm going to spray this on my hair for about a week, along with the Gaia Dreams nectar. This is a scalp nectar. I'm going to show you guys the routine that I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spray bottle. As you guys can see, I put rosemary. I also put hibiscus. There's several different ways that you can, you know, do hibiscus, but I will show you guys in another video how I did my hibiscus mix. And also I have purified water in here as well. So I went ahead and mixed that up into this bottle, and I just spray this on my scalp. You can do this all over your scalp. You can part your hair and spray each individual section, and make sure that you do like a light massage. After I went ahead and applied that spray to my hair, I take the Gaia Dreams Nectar and I put that on my hair as well. So Gaia Dreams Nectar has moisturizing components in it as well, such as aloe vera, and also has hibiscus in this mixture as well. This is specifically made for the scalp, and it's definitely going to help with sealing in everything that you just put on there as well. I feel like focusing on the scalp to make sure that the actual hair is growing out of healthy roots. I feel like that these routines are very helpful, because if you come from a protective style and you don't kind of like nurture your hair after your hair being manipulated into a style, sometimes it can be a lot on your hair. I also took the Angelic Cocoa Curl Creator Cream and I put that on my hair. So when I got out of the shower, to be honest, I did not want to put a bunch of products on my hair. So I decided to use one product that's a very moisturizing product and just go from there and not put anything else on my hair. So I'm just using the cream in this video. And this cream, again, very, very amazing. This is like one of my favorite creams to use on my hair. Cream has sesame seed oil in it as well, which is like, oh, sesame seed oil for hair growth, sesame seed oil, they go together. So I put that on my hair and I pretty much just twist my hair up like you guys see in this video, because I just want to lock in everything that I just did, and I'm not going to want to do too much to my hair. So you can either twist your hair into like a style like this, or you guys know I always wear my 2 twists, or you can do braids or whatever you want to do, but just make sure that you put in a style that is very easy on the hair, low manipulation. So yes guys, a super, super quick routine. Like I said, it's not that tedious and you don't have to do a lot, but I like routines like that, and I know that a lot of you out there probably like routines like that as well. If you have postpartum shedding, like if you just had a baby, or even if you have shedding from having a lot of stress or a stressful lifestyle, make sure that you are nurturing your scalp. That is a really, really good pointer to have when your hair is under that stress and having a lot of shedding. If you have damaged hair, shedding is gonna just be a part of your routine, but this concoction will help with nurturing your hair back to health, along with the products that I showed you guys in this video. Definitely gonna help you. That growth oil that I show you guys, I have been using that since 2014, and at that time I did not have all the way healthy hair, and that was a vital part of my routine. And you can go back to older videos where I actually say that in those videos before it was on my website, before I even was thinking about selling anything. That's a vital part of my routine. I will always say that in all of my videos because it is the honest truth. So that oil, absolute goals. Absolute goals. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and like I said, leave your comments down below. Love reading your comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully this was helpful. Bye.